Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling dark mode in Snapchat. Dark mode not only enhances the visual experience, but also helps reduce eye strain, especially in low-light conditions. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 3. In your profile settings, you'll notice a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access your Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings options until you find App Appearance. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. In the App Appearance settings, you'll see different options for appearance. Look for Always Dark, and tap on it to enable dark mode in Snapchat. Enabling dark mode in Snapchat not only gives the app a sleek and stylish look, but also helps conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.